Welcome to the channel ESL Learners. This is Dr. Grammar with your dose of ESL practice. Remember to subscribe.
Welcome to our lesson on pronouncing ED ending words. Today, we'll explore the different sounds and rules for pronouncing this tricky ending in English words. By the end of this video, you'll be able to differentiate between voiced and voiceless words. And you will also be able to identify the correct way to pronounce words with ED endings. This will help you to communicate more clearly and effectively. Let's get started. To understand the difference in the sounds of certain words, we have to first learn what produces the sounds we hear when we speak. The vocal cords, also called vocal folds, are two bands of smooth muscle tissue found in the larynx or voice box that vibrate when air passes over the cords from the lungs. This is how you can hear the sound of your voice. Take a look at the right side of this page with me. When the vocal cords are opened, as seen in the picture on the top, air passes over them and causes them to vibrate. But when the vocal cords are closed, as seen in the picture on the bottom, no air can pass over them, resulting in no vibrations. This vibration or lack of vibration can be felt on the outside of your body while speaking by gently putting the fingers on your throat where the larynx or voice box is located. In English, voiced sounds make your vocal cords vibrate, like the B and D in bag and dog. Voiceless sounds do not make your vocal cords vibrate, like the C and SH in cat and ship. When adding ED to a word, the pronunciation depends on the sound before it. If the sound is voiced, like in play, the ED that's added in played will make a D sound. Played. If the sound is voiceless, like in kissed, the ED that is added in kissed will make a T sound. Kissed. Say the highlighted words and feel your throat to see if you feel the vibrations or not. The pronunciation of ED ending words depends on the final consonant. However, if a word ends with a vowel sound, we use the D sound on ED. Say these examples with me. Played, carried, cried, annoyed, continued. With all of these words, they have a vowel sound at the end, and so ED, when added, will have a D sound. However, ED makes three different sounds, depending on the ending of the words, and also if the word is voiceless or voiced. Let's practice those three sounds. Id, id, t, t, d, d. Id, for example, interested, wanted, defended, landed. If the words are voiceless, it will have a t ending. Helped, kicked, fixed, watched, laughed. And if the words are voiced, ED will have a D sound. For example, called, considered, performed, used, perceived. Practice all of these words out loud and make sure you hear the id, t, and d sound when you finish. Are you enjoying this lesson? What words did you have trouble with before today? And can you think of any other examples to add to the list on the previous page? Comment them below to help other English learners just like you learn from your knowledge. If you're interested in developing greater English fluency, join the over 100 other ESL learners and subscribe to our channel. We're also working on something special for all of our subscribers and can't wait to share more about it in the coming weeks. Enhance your English proficiency with your dose of ESL practice from Dr. Grammar ESL. Now let's get back to our lesson. These sentences can help you to practice the ed ending words. The examples have both voiced and voiceless sounds. So pause the video and practice them aloud. Let me know in the comments if you got all of them correct. Well done, guys. You're now better equipped to pronounce ed ending sounds, which will help make your communication more meaningful and effective. If you found this video helpful, do us a favor and like, comment, and subscribe to help us grow our channel and bring you more ESL content. Remember to share it with someone learning English and check out more of our videos.